How to choose long tail keywords for a massive search traffic. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can find long tail keywords and why they are important. So, what do I mean when I say long tail keywords? Well, long tail keywords are search words with low individual search volume but high search demand as a group. So, maybe the word price has a very low search volume. No one is searching on Google for price. However, price of makeup or price of Fenty Beauty's highlighter or price of lipsticks, those are super popular queries. The reason for that is they make more sense and they have more demand as a group rather as a individual search word. So that is what we mean when we say long tail keywords. Now, before you get into long tail keywords, I often talk about keywords, and keywords have very significant places in your SEO optimization. And the reason that I'm focusing on long tail keywords is because whenever you're taking a look at basic keywords, like if I take a look at fashion is a very popular keyword. And if you take a look at the keyword over here, its SEO difficulty is rated as 90, and I will show you these tools later. And if I go into the SEO tools by Ahrefs, I can click on the keyword difficulty checker and I can just click on fashion. And I'm just going to verify, and if I just search for fashion over here, you can see the difficulty level is 92. And if I take a look at the top links, you can see they are by super popular websites, and you can see the domains linking back, the traffic, the keywords that they're targeting. So it's very difficult to compete with a keyword like that. So make sure you're always assessing the ranking difficulty of a keyword by checking the number of referring domains, by checking the authority of the ranking domain, so the domain name authority, as well as the topic relevance to the keyword of the top ranking website. So if we go back to our Ahrefs page, you can see fashion news and trends by Vogue, Fashion Nova, Fashion Wikipedia, Fashion Magazine, Glamour's article on fashion trends and celebrity style, and Elle's article on fashion trends and celebrity style. So it is going to be almost impossible for someone to rank for a keyword like this. That is why long tail keywords are better for a newbie or someone that is just trying to, get on the top pages of Google. Now, the next thing you need to do is to generate ideas using one or two seed keywords. So fashion is our seed keyword. Now, with fashion, what are some of the top things that come into mind? Just write them down. It could be clothing, jewelry, accessories, and once you have those, you're just going to take a look at those ideas. So clothing, jewelry, accessories, fashion, that is our niche. Our niche is fashion, and we're just taking a look at these different seed keywords. And now from these seed keywords, we're going to actually find long tail keywords that would suit our website. So for this, there are two tools you can use. You can use the Ahrefs free SEO tool. So just search for Ahrefs free SEO tools, and this will be the top result. Or you can even download keywordseverywhere.com. Now, this is a free Chrome extension or Firefox extension, whatever web browser you are using. You can just download this, click on install for Chrome. I have this installed. And now once you search for a keyword, so I've searched for the term fashion, you can see on the right side of my screen, I'm getting the SEO difficulty, off-page and on-page difficulty, as well as the related keyword. So you can see over here on the bottom right, I'm getting related keywords, similar queries, and then on the bottom, I have trending keywords. So trending keywords are a great way to find the long tail keywords. So you can see these are clusters of words. You have runway fashion exchange, New York Fashion Week 2022, how to become a fashion designer in BitLife, Chandler Fashion Center, and then if you scroll down further, you actually have a separate categorization of the long tail keywords related to your keyword. So you have Fashion Nova discount code, Norris Nuts Fashion, Scottsdale Fashion Square, 70s Fashion, Baby Who Fashion. So you will be able to get free suggestions for the specific niche that you are targeting. Now, what another amazing thing you can do is just type in your seed keyword and just type a space, and then you will get a couple of search results. So if you click on fashion meaning over here, You can see over here on the side, now you're getting more keywords related to that. And then you can just type that back, click on fashion space and search for fashion designing. And then you can see the related search queries for this specific query as well. So you'll be able to generate quite a few different kinds of fashion, quite a few different kinds of long tail keywords simply by using this tool. You can also go into the Ahrefs tool and go into their keyword generator and search for fashion, and then you're just going to click on find keywords. Now you can see these are the top results. You can see Fashion Outlets of Chicago, Fashion Institute of Technology, Scottsdale Fashion Square. So you can see the search volume as well as the updated when this statistic was added. And this will give you a good idea of what kind of keywords are getting the most search results. And you can see almost a lot of these are long tail keywords that are available on the Ahrefs platform as well as keywords everywhere. So these two tools are going to be super helpful in finding long tail keywords. So these are the two tools you're going to use to find your keywords. Now, another great trick to find keywords is to look for modifier keywords in a larger topic. So a modifier word is something like with. Let's say I search for lipsticks. And now once I search for lipsticks, if I put the word with, so lipsticks with is actually a different keyword, and this will show me all of these different types of keywords that I might have not essentially thought of before or even searched for before, but these are also keywords that have high search volumes. And you can actually go on ahead, go into the free SEO tools, you can go into the SERP checkers, and then you can go ahead and take a look at the SERP checker. And now you can see the overall searches that these sites are getting, the overall links, the backwards, the domain backlinks that they are getting, as well as the keywords that they are getting. So that is why it is so essential to have a modifier word, and this will help you in getting a larger audience. Now, the next tip that you can follow is find questions on a topic. So if you go on to the Ahrefs keyword generator, now, if you just search for fashion, you get super high competitive keywords. I'm just continuing with that example. Now, if we go on ahead and we just search for this keyword, you can click on questions over here. Now you can see questions are also super popular in terms of long-term keywords, like what is fast fashion, who owns Fashion Nova, what is Y2K fashion, and these search queries have a very large search volume. So this has over 7.5K search volume, this has 3.2K search volume, and these are per day search volumes. So these queries are getting over 1,000 searches per day. So that is why it is very effective to use questions as a long tail keyword. Now, another great tip you can do is append location. So you can be like tractor in, and then you will have a super low competition market, although it's not going to have a lot of high demand. But if you include multiple different locations, you can target a lot of audiences that are getting no search results, and you can target and grab the entire market for yourself, because those people are getting no search results to a very few search results. Now, these are just some of the basic tips to get started with long tail keywords. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.